I just came down here to clear around the beehive, and we've got an emergency, everybody. My bees are swarming. Look at that. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I'm gonna go... This is a problem. I have somebody coming to do an estimate on tree work right now. They'll be here any minute, and my bees have swarmed. I think I'm gonna try to put on my beekeeping gear, get a box under them, and shake them into it. I've never had to do this before. I don't want to get stung, and I'm guessing the queen is on there somewhere, but if I don't get her, how do I get them into a box? Oh, shit. I don't think I can put the hive right below it and drop them into the hive, but I'd like to. Oh, shit. I guess I needed to add another box to my beehive, which is expensive, so I haven't yet. Yeah, they are absolutely swarming. This is a problem here. They are up there in that tree and they are swarming, and I would like to get them into here. I want them to go right into here. This is where I want them to go. Shit. Panic time. I'm wondering if I can drop them into here. Let me go grab a bee fucking suit. This is not good. Easier to get you into a box. Cover it very quickly. How am I going to do that? How are we going to get you guys to drop down in here? Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, shit. You won't be falling on me either. Yeah, you guys are up there all right. Oh, shit. Okay. Fall right down into this thing. With the queen. Cover you up. We gotta get your queen in here. Hello. Can I just find your queen and get her in here? That'd be wonderful. There's your queen. There's your queen. Where is she? There's your queen. Got her. That looks like a queen. We got her down there. Get you guys into here, please. Swarmy. I don't think we have a queen yet because they keep going back up here. They keep going back up into the tree. Well, somebody should be here any minute to do an estimate on tree work. I still have a swarm up here. It's smaller than it was, but I don't know where the queen is. Is the queen still up here? Where's the queen down in here? Because I got an awful lot of bees down in here, but not all of them yet. And I don't know whether to wait or keep hacking at this. I removed a bunch of trees, so if this falls, in theory, it should fall right down here into the hive. Only I don't want to let the bees that have already been locked in here out. I want to keep them in here in case they are, in case I do have a queen in here. I mean, I've been shaking and shaking at this tree, so I'm hoping that I have a queen in here, but they are still up on this branch swarming right now. These bees are, they got their butts in the air. They're giving off the signal, so I don't know. I'm hoping that they're giving off enough of a signal that there's a queen in here and everybody is going to come and help out. Not sure. Whew. I don't want to take that off just yet. Hi there, little bees. So I don't know whether to do another hit of this with a pole and try to knock more down, or just leave them be so they can find this and go into it. Hey ladies. Do you smell your queen? I hope you smell your queen. I'd like to get her in here if she's not already in here. Looks like you guys are very interested in something. Can we get you guys to come in here? Get you guys to go right in this fucking hive? That's wonderful. Carefully, without squishing anyone. Can we get you guys in here? You guys see that? They're still up there. So I don't know if we got Mrs. Queen Bee or not. We got 35% battery power. I did my walkthrough with the forestry guy, and I guess it's going to be $2,000 to have between 3 and 4 cords of wood cut out of my woods and have some pasture opened up, so I think I need to start saving some money or get a cheaper quote from somebody. That's crazy. $2,000, oh man. Wishing I had a tractor right now. Alright, how you girls doing? Running out of battery power, so I'd like to get you guys all into your hive. I'm no expert here, but I'm thinking my bees need a 3rd box in the hive. This looks like it's totally out of control with comb here already. Wow, look at this. Can I even get these apart? I think I need my hive tool. Where is my hive tool? You guys are swarming. You're out of rum. Check this out here, if I can even take this frame out without anything going wrong. Yes! Awesome, we got one out. Okay, now if the camera's still running, look at that! Holy shit. You guys are out of rum. Yeah, you are. You guys are totally out of rum. We gotta get another bee box in here. I'm gonna take this frame out because it's falling. And if you guys would kindly get off of it, I can remove it. Okay, yeah, there we go. What a mess that is. Hey everyone, I don't want to squish anybody. Woo! Okay, that one's coming out good. Hi. Hello. Look at you busy bees. Look at these busy bees. Alright. Okay, can I just lift this? There we go. good. That came out without much of a fuss. Oh shit. Well, now that I've been stung on the face, I think we're gonna... Oh, they are mad at me. I think we're... On a ladder with bees. Oh boy. Okay. Come on. I have to clean. Drop down. Physically locate the clean, that would be wonderful. Step on anybody. Don't want anyone going up my pant leg. Well, everyone, this is what's left of the swarm. I've got them into the hive after an entire day of effort. I never saw the damn queen, but we have got bees swarming away in here. They're in this hive. And I'm sure you can hear them. They're in here. We got them in here. So, mission accomplished.